single day. And thank God for my husband. He always reminds me that my husband is the most positive, most encouraging, most wonderful. Okay. No, because really, seriously, I realized in life, God gave me Paul because he's the person I need who will lift me up in times of, because I'm a worrier and I can't stop worrying about things. I know it's bad. And my husband will always tell me, you read the Bible 13 times. Back to back, cover to cover. Kasi nagsimula ako magbasa ng Bible 2004. Tapos, naging ritual ko na siya. Wow, ritual. Naging habit ko na siya na kailangan in 1 year makatapos ako ng isang version ng Bible. So, laging ganun ang ginagawa ko. But my husband will always tell me, nagbabasa ka but you're not putting that into heart. That's why talagang napaka-important ng partner that God chooses for you. It's